Kerala Piravi, marking the anniversary of the formation of Kerala as a state based on language. In the field of health, education, and social development, Kerala has set an example and progressed ahead of other states. However, as the state celebrates its 69th birthday, several issues and challenges still remain unresolved. This land of 3.5 crore people is laid in green. Across this silver of land across 600 kilometers, the Arabian Sea roars on one side. The hills of the Western Ghats whisper where the mist and rain dance together. The golden paddy fields stretch endlessly, merging with shimmering backwaters, streams, and gentle brooks. From the fierce rhythm of Kalari to the grace of Kathakali, every art form here breathes the soul of the land. On November 1st, 1956, following the central government's decision to reorganize states on the basis of language, the regions of Travancore, Cochin, and Malabar that speak Malayalam were merged to form Kerala. Kerala witnessed landmark reforms. The Land Reforms Bill, the Education Bill, decentralization of power, literary campaigns, participatory planning, and strong movements for environmental protection. These are just a few among the many beacons of hope that illuminate the state's social and economic landscape. Kerala became the first state in India to achieve 100% literacy. The exceptional progress Kerala made in health and education has served as a model for other states. Kerala has also made significant strides in tourism. The state's unique art forms including Mohiniyattam, Theyyam, Kalaripayattu and tribal arts have gained international recognition, with studies on these diverse cultural traditions being conducted even in foreign countries. The concept of Navakerala Srishti aims to build a new Kerala focused on sustainable economic growth, social progress, and inclusive development despite financial constraints and challenges. It emphasizes maintaining social progress without compromise, curbing attempts of communal polarization, and strengthening Kerala's secular heritage by embracing its language and culture with vigilance. The state government has laid out plans involving decentralization, welfare, and infrastructure development to meet these goals over the next 25 years. Despite political and economic pressures from the central government, Kerala continues to strive for progress and an inclusive society. As Kerala faces these challenges, the call to all Malayalis is to be alert and united in preserving the state's unique identity and values. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ കേരളപ്പിറവി ആശംസകൾ.